On the 20th of January, and on the 15th of January 2020, the president came here to commission the facility, and but then a couple months after that, in March, the pandemic set in, and it started in its epicenter was Hunan province of China, and these are the people that we had been working with to build this facility. They were the technical Hunan province was the center for the technical people that we worked with to build and equip this place. Anyway, fast speed forward, we are here now to commemorate World Day for Safety and Health at Work. Those of you here for the first time, even those who have been here before, feel free to find time to come and see more of what we are doing here, because it is really our answer to modern manufacturing methods and procedures, and we can share a lot more. What we are here to, and thank you, Honorable Minister, because you've been here before, and this is a sign that you might come again soon. Then we can showcase a lot more of what we're doing. We are here to celebrate World Day for Safety and Health at Work, and the global observance of this day is 28th of April. It was established by International Labour Organization in 2003. The focus was to reduce occupational accidents and diseases. The theme for this year is Revolutionizing Health and Safety, the role of artificial intelligence and digitalization at work, and so on. It is this place, among its unique attributes, is that we are addressing squarely the issue of modern technologies. What are the technologies that are driving change? As artificial intelligence, robotics, and so on. We are doing that here. When we talk about aligning the safety, health, and decent work environment, we are aligning the thing with the United Nations Social Development Goal, SDG 8. I have addressed this topic in many places, especially with the United Nations Economic Commission for Africa, where I am an active participant in the addressing of SDGs. The global perspectives about occupational safety and health is that globally we have had a reason for concern. And so many deaths per year in the workplace. The emerging risks of climate change and pandemics. But then the world is reasonably concerned enough to really put up strict regulations, and you go to most of these industrialized nations, you find they are very strong OSH regulations. I lived and worked in America for 26 years as an engineer, and so I know of what I speak. If you see what OSHA does in the United States and the muscle it applies in identifying hazards and creating a work environment that is devoid of health hazards, it's very impressive what they do. Actually, they have an agency of government called OSHA, Occupational Safety Health Administration. In Uganda, we still have significant challenges, especially because the informal sector does not address this issue fully. They need a lot of awareness to understand that this is not a joke. This is a serious matter. And so there is, although we've had an act, an OSHA, Occupational Safety and Health Act since 2006. How well are we enforcing that act? I've seen stores where we have some serious people, but we need to discuss as an interagency. We need to discuss further on this matter. One of the problems of our country is we don't utilize the resources that we have. Everybody just keeps eternal vision on what they are assigned to do, and yet there are other sources of information and other players that could add value to what you do. As I said, as an industrial engineer, I was very much familiar with the OSHA Act of the United States, which was founded in April 28th, 1971. And it's, as you see later on, it has a lot of muscle. Our perspectives are that we need to make sure that in our operational paradigm, with regard to operation safety and health, we have to develop and design industrial processes bearing in mind the safety and health of the personnel that will operate the machinery and make the products. There is a science course, a science practice called ergonomics. Unfortunately, in our engineering curriculum, we don't seem to address that. At least I'm not aware. Any of you seen ergonomics courses in our universities? Ergonomics is an applied science concerned with designing and arranging things people use so that people and things interact most efficiently and safely. It's a wide, in other programs, they call it human factors engineering. And I think we should put more effort to see that such is introduced in our curriculum. We need to develop and make and avail PPEs. We have in the UIRI store, you saw some of the PPEs that have been prototyped and are now ready for commercialization. This is very important to me because most of our stakeholders that I saw, surely we can do better than importing boots from India. We can do better than than importing sensors and stuff like this. That's simple stuff, even safety wear. So those who are involved in they are displaying the imports, let us work together to do what we have been talking about regarding import substitution. These things can be done, and they can be done here at this campus. In our training programs, we have to emphasize observance of safety and healthful practice. Prudent technology transfer demands that we bring in technologies that are safe and healthful to operate. The overriding concern for industrial operations is the creation of a salubrious environment for all involved. That's very important for us. One of the challenges I got in my repatriation was coming to an environment where people seem to think that salary is everything. To me, the environment where I operate from is is even more important. After all, I'm almost ready to retire. If I haven't made the money, I'm not going to make now. But I would like to see an environment that is conducive to high productivity, that is safe to operate from. Finally, we are talking about AI, digitalization, and how it relates to OSH. I'm saying that artificial intelligence is transforming occupational health and safety by offering new ways to prevent injuries, improve diagnostics, and enhance training. Every time I'm on the Ginger Road and I see a traffic light, and the traffic light seems to be functioning, but then there is a policeman, and sometimes giving conflicting signals. The light is green, the policeman says, don't go. Excuse me? Who takes precedence over what? First of all, it is a serious health hazard to be in the middle of a junction like that, and with the discipline of our drivers. Why do we not do the full thing, that you deploy intelligent systems so that the traffic light can discern the terrain and make decisions? Don't need human intervention in that regard. And so artificial intelligence can be demystified that way. What is it about? Make a traffic light that is intelligent and can decide, instead of having a discrete system, 5 minutes red, 5 minutes green, regardless of what the conditions on the ground are. Just program that damn thing that can do its job. So there's a new report about 2021 that talks about artificial intelligence, digitalization, robotics, and automation, and how they are reshaping occupational safety and health. AI-powered systems enhance safety and health monitoring and streamline tasks and operations, easing workloads and driving innovation. So, even in low-tech sectors, by the way. Digitalization offers numerous advantages, including increased efficiency, productivity, cost reduction, and improved customer experience. At the time, one of the challenges I had, I was trying to get a title for my property in Kampala, and I went to the land's office. What a nightmare. Digitalization can improve that situation very easily. Let's be practical, people. And several other places. There's a time I have another appointment on retainer as presidential advisor. And I went to presidential at the office of the president to look for my appointment letter. What is Zoom? This guy's got to find a piece of paper. I'm saying, in the modern world, come on, we can do better than that. I leave you with this quote from Nile Breweries about digitalization. And again, I encourage you to come and when you have the time, we'll make a provision, show off what I'm talking about, modern methods of processing and also of data control, digitalization, artificial intelligence, and the world of robotics. Thank you for listening to me, and again, welcome to Nama and the UIRI campus. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Professor. He deserves another round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.